I just believe that we are supposed to help each other. It's intended that all of us enjoy the bounty of this earth, and I try my best to try to live that way.
All right, Judge Clifford Davis was the first African-American elected state district judge in Tarrant County, the first to get an offer to attend the University of Arkansas. He also took on the state to fight for the rights of blacks in the school system, a life dedicated to service. And today, thanks to Courtesy Nissan, our very proud sponsors, we introduce you to the Honorable Judge Clifford Davis.
I'm Clifford Davis, and I've been licensed as an attorney for 63.5 years now. I would assume that they would perhaps describe me as hardworking, sensitive, just a person working in the community, trying to help make community better for all people. As you know, I was born in the mid-20s. The society was totally segregated in those days. We lived separate and apart, and we'd learned to survive, live and survive with it. The water fountains were separate, the restrooms were separate. They'd have white women, white men, and a restroom for colored. Eating places downtown, if they had a place at all, it would always be separate. Of course, I've always wanted to be free to participate in a society. We sued General Dynamics for the promotion of blacks. We've had litigation about housing. The blacks had to go to schools that were designated for blacks, and whites had to go to schools that were designated to whites, and there could be no crossing of those lines. We brought the suits for integration of the Mansfield and the Fort Worth school districts because we felt that the children ought to be able to go to school nearest to their home. There were some anxieties about it, and of course I got all kinds of calls and this and that and the other. And we wanted equal opportunity. And we felt if we were going to the same schools that they were going to, we would have the same training opportunities. To have a school named for me meant that someone in the community felt that I had done something to contribute to the educational pattern in the city of Fort Worth. So I felt good about that. No, it is not. There's still much to be done, but you've got to be honest enough to say it's much better than it was.